every single day. I'm gonna make something great.
Hello and welcome. Thank you for checking out this video. For the people who are just visiting my channel for the very first time, my name is Rochelle and my brand is a DIY affiliate online. And I help new internet entrepreneurs and affiliates by sharing my knowledge and experience to help you to gain more power and authority, become an influencer, and make an impact with online video. This video is about choosing a niche. Is just the facts. Let's get down to business. Online tool that I found, and I will show you how to use it. It is the keyword tool, and this is the best alternative to the Google Keyword Planner and other keyword research tools. Free version of the keyword tool generates up to 750 plus long-tailed keyword suggestions for every search term. And you can use the keyword tool absolutely free, even without creating an account. This is a great keyword tool that you can use to help you to find your niche, to help you to find keyword suggestions for Google, YouTube, Bing, Amazon, eBay, Play Store, Instagram, and Twitter. This is one that I found was the best, and it is the keyword tool. Free #1 Google Keyword Planner alternative. And then you would just click into Google and put it. Choosing a niche. So here are the keywords. These are the keyword suggestions, and it is ascending. So these are the most popular ones. Choosing a niche for your blog, choosing a niche for affiliate marketing, choosing a niche market. We're just going to save these and export them into a Google Sheet. So using the keyword tool, you can look in Google, you can look in YouTube, just by clicking on these tabs. You can look at the questions for YouTube. Hashtags. Once you're at the keyword tool, type in your keyword suggestion, which is, mine is choose a niche. Choose whether you want it to be global or United States or another country. There is a number of different countries in here that you can choose from. I'm just going to go global English, and YouTube or Google. Here you can filter results. Find keywords within your search results. Just see how many use the niche. And then go. This will give you your keyword suggestions. You can then copy, export to CSV. And then you can import this into you can also look at questions. I'll have the same filter of niche. And then copy and export. It'll then appear at the bottom left-hand corner. You can also export into your Excel. I go export to CSV because it exports to my WordPad. And also here you can check by prepositions. And then you can copy that as well. Export to CSV. Which will then send it to your WordPad. If you are doing a YouTube video, you can go to YouTube. You have to make sure of your spelling. Now, this is a free tool version if you choose, but you can use the free tool.
Also, I find this very helpful that you can use it on your cell phone. The same way that you use it on your computer, you can also copy to the clipboard and use these keywords. So when you're on the go and you're using your cell, this is a really good way to be able to just get your keywords fast, and also it is a very helpful way to be able to determine and choose the niche that you want to be in.